Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide portfolio pages in Squarespace 7.1, whether you're temporarily removing a portfolio from view or restructuring your site's navigation. Knowing how to hide pages gives you complete control over what visitors see. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. From the dashboard, locate the website where you want to hide the portfolio page and click on it. This opens up the editing interface for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization options you need. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Website, and directly under it, click on Pages. This is your site's structure hub where you can manage everything related to your pages and navigation. Now I'm going to show you 3 different methods to hide your portfolio page depending on what you're trying to achieve. The first method is perfect if your portfolio is currently visible in your main navigation. Simply click and drag the portfolio page from main navigation down to the not linked section. By doing this, the page still exists on your site, but it won't appear in your header navigation, effectively hiding it from your visitor's view. The second method involves disabling the page entirely. To do this, click the gear icon next to your portfolio page. This opens up the page settings. Under the General tab, you'll see an option to disable the page. Toggle this option on, and the page will be hidden from your entire site. This is useful if you want to completely remove access to the page without deleting it. The third method is great if you want to hide the page specifically from search engines. While still in the page settings, navigate to the SEO tab. Here you'll find an option labeled Hide Page from Search Results. Enable this option if you want to keep the page on your site but prevent it from showing up in Google or other search engine results. This is particularly helpful if you're working on the page and don't want it indexed yet. Once you've chosen the method that works best for your needs, click Save to apply your changes. Your portfolio page is now hidden according to the method you selected, and that's it. You've successfully hidden your portfolio page in Squarespace 7.1 using one of these 3 methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.